Hi there, I'm Lauren White with Roofers Coffee Shop, and we're here at the International Roofing Expo and in Dallas, Texas, and we are with the National Slate Association right now. Hi, gentlemen.
Hello.
What's your name?
I'm Brian Chowsman with the National Slate Association.
Great.
Sean Cornwell with the National Slate Association.
Wonderful. And how's the show been for you so far?
It's been great. Our whole purpose of being here is to help people answer questions about real slate and to show them that the real slate can still be put on. This is a manual that we redid after 1926, and we redid it in 2010. So our goal is to be a resource for real slate installations throughout North America.
Great. So what's new? What should people know about the National Slate Association?
I wish it wasn't this simple, that water runs downhill and you should really follow directions. My wife always says that the reason we have so much work is that men simply can't follow directions. So we're really trying to get that point across. If you're doing slate, please follow directions.
Well, and what's special about slate? What makes it unique?
The best thing about slate is it's one of the only roofing systems that you and I can go to and touch a roof that's literally been protecting that property for sometimes 100. In our area of the country, we're in Virginia, and we have a Buckingham slate, and some of our oldest roofs are past 150 years now. So that's an incredible thing for you and I to be able to go touch a roof that's been servicing for 150 years.
Definitely. And so with the Slate Association, what do you help contractors with?
Probably our biggest thing we help contractors with is just to be a resource. If they're looking at a detail or they're in a part of a country and maybe they don't do slate all the time, we really want to help them get into the slate industry or at least do that slate roof correctly. That is our whole goal.
Anything to add?
I just recommend doing slate roofs. It's one of the greatest products you can put on a roof, and just check out the manual if anyone has any questions. And like you said, water runs downhill, and read the manual.
All right. Well, thank you so much, and we'll be promoting your manual.
Thank you.